Shri Bhagwati, manufacturing customized tablet press machine. A tablet press machine, also known as a tablet compression machine or pill press, is a mechanical device used in the pharmaceutical industry to compress powder or granules into tablets of uniform size, shape, and weight. These tablets are commonly used for medicinal purposes, but they can also be used for other applications such as making nutritional supplements or compressed powders for industrial use. Feeding, the raw material, in the form of powder or granules, is fed into the tablet press machine through a hopper. Compression, the material is then compacted and compressed between two punches or dies to form tablets of the desired size and shape. The compression force applied during this process is carefully controlled to ensure uniformity among the tablets. Ejection, once the tablets are formed, they are ejected from the machine either automatically or manually. Some tablet press machines may also have mechanisms for sorting or inspecting the tablets before ejection to ensure quality control, cleaning and maintenance. Regular cleaning and maintenance of the tablet press machine are essential to prevent contamination and ensure consistent performance. This may involve disassembling the machine, cleaning the parts, and inspecting for any signs of wear or damage. Tablet press machines come in various types and configurations, ranging from single-station machines suitable for small-scale production to high-speed rotary tablet presses capable of producing thousands of tablets per minute for large-scale manufacturing operations. They play a crucial role in the pharmaceutical industry by enabling efficient and precise production of oral solid dosage forms. For inquiry, contact below mobile number or email address.